Oh, that's up here. Hey, come on, straight up to these guys. Around here. It's coming out. Show us your hands now.
Show us your hands. Let me see your hands, Josh.
Leave the weapon inside and come out.
Come on, Josh. Come on out.
All right, Bubba, come on out here right now. Right now. If I gotta come in there after you, it's gonna be bad. I said now.
Come out now.
On the ground. Now.
Put the gun down.
Get on
Put it down.
the fucking ground.
Put it down.
You want it?
Put it down.
Josh.
Don't raise that up.
Come on, Josh.
Don't do it.
Do it.
Don't point it.
Josh, come
Don't
on.
do it.
Don't do it, Josh, please.
We will shoot you now. Put it down.
No.
Yeah,
Put it
Josh.
down. Put it down.
Josh, please. Put it down, Josh. Come on. Josh.
Put it down.
Come on, Josh. Put it down.
Put it down. Yeah, man.
Fuck up.
Cells, shots fired. Subjects down.
You guys all right? Everybody all right?
Ruben Kelly.
Guns loose.
Shots fired. Subject's down.
I thought he was pointing at you there.
Well, he was.
And then when he probably back down towards Rob.
Right
Rochelle.
Put it down, Josh. Come on. Josh.
Put it down.
Come on, Josh. Put it down.
Put it down. Yeah, man.